They're
Mm-hmm.
located in Massachusetts, and they just released the Levity printer. So these are materials that defy gravity for gravity-free 3D printing. So they're literally printing inside of a hydrogel.
Mm-hmm.
Super interesting. They had a very slick looking booth, which again, the coolness prevails. At the end of the day, we're all humans. That marketing factor, I think, is really important. But the application for some of these materials, and I'm looking at my notes here, they had some,
Yeah.
they had some materials that were specific for inflatable medical components and some multi-material also where they were trying to show the flexibility of these products. So that was something that I thought was pretty neat. And it's nice to see a startup company at that showcasing some of these material properties, being able to print directly within hydrogel.
Well, have you heard of this bioprinting method called the fresh bioprinting method?
No, I have not.
It almost sounds exactly like that, except it's for bioprinting. Is also in it's they have a gel bed. I think the materials are different probably, but I'm gonna look it up more to see what the differentials between these two. And that is out of Carnegie Mellon. And
Oh, okay.
it's been around for decades. The concept of have a bath of material that has some kind of viscosity, and then so that you can actually is this extrusion based printing or is this yeah, so actually the concept in itself, I wonder what the patterns are on this. Could be potential lawsuit. I'm just kidding. Uh but time for me to do some research, and thanks for letting me know about this very impressive startup. It sounds like they've already got their fundings and teams all together.
That's right. So I was reading about them after the fact, and apparently they did exhibit at some conference, maybe 2017 or so, so pre-pandemic, down in
Oh, okay.
Florida. But this was their first time exhibiting at Rapid, and like I said, there was quite a big crowd, so they were not on my list originally. I'd never heard of them, but they were handing out small little goodies, and people were walking around, talking about them. Um,
Hmm.